Hello everyone, you're welcome back. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian snacks, and it's called pop-off. For non-Nigerians, pop-off is one of our favorite snacks and it's so quick and easy to make. Very delicious and fluffy. I will start with the self-raising flour. All the ingredients used to make pop-off will be displayed on the description. Whenever I make pop-off, I always make a lot just to have some for later. I'll also be using some sugar. I've got 5 tablespoons of sugar, fresh milk. Please note that you can also use water instead of milk, or you can even use plain yogurt. I've also got nutmeg. Please note that you can use cinnamon if you don't have nutmeg. I'll be using some baking powder. Yeast. Yeast is very important when making pop-off. And I've also got some salt and some vanilla flavor. Please note that you can also make pop-off without one. I'll start by getting a bigger bowl, then I'll gradually sift my flour. Please, if you're new and if you've not yet subscribed, don't forget to support me by subscribing, and please like the video. Thank you. The first ingredient I'll be adding will be the nutmeg. Please note that you can also use cinnamon. Feel free to use neither of the two. I'll be adding the baking powder and the sugar. All the measurements will be displayed on the description. If you need any guide on how to make this recipe, please check them. I'll be adding the yeast, and I'll also add the salt, just a tiny bit of salt. And I'll be adding the fresh milk. I also added a tiny bit of vanilla just to give the pop-off some flavor. Pop-off can be made using plain yogurt. I've also tried that recipe and it came out really nice. Or you can also use water to mix. I'm just going to use my hand to mix the flour, but the first thing I will do is to wash my hand. I'm just going to ensure this is well mixed until the dough is soft. I used almost 3 cups of fresh milk. I'm just going to gradually mix this until the mixture is very smooth and sticky. For my followers who are not Nigerians, or if you are just seeing this recipe for the first time, pop-off is one of our favorite party snacks. And the kids really love it. Even if you are not Nigerians, you can try out this recipe for your children. They will love it, especially during this Easter break where all the children are home now. So try entertaining them with something new. And thank me later. I'm done with the mixing, and this is what the texture should look like. The next step, I'll be wrapping the bowl with some cling film. And then I'll place one of my white kitchen towel on top the bowl. And then I'll leave the dough to rise for at least 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours. After roughly about an hour plus to 2 hours, I checked the dough and the dough has doubled in size. That I will show you on this video. I also heat up the oil which I'll use to fry the pop-off. This is what the dough looks like. I usually fry this on high heat for the first 1 to 2 minutes. Then after that, I'll reduce the heat. You can see how easy it is to make pop-off. Please, if you like what you see, don't forget to like this video. And if you're new and you've not yet subscribed, ensure you subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much for all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate all the love and support. Thank you for taking out time to watch this video. We've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day and goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye.